welcome back to my channel. This is me Papia. Hope you guys are doing well. So yes, as I have said earlier that I'll be back with lipstick review. Okay, so now I'll going to okay guys, so yeah, welcome back to my channel. This is me Papia. Hope you guys are doing well. So yes, as I've said earlier that I'll be back with Splanet Vlog part 2. So today I'm back and I'm here today. So I have so many things to show you guys, like what are the things I got from Splanet. Before that, let me tell you, if you guys haven't watched the part 1 vlog of Splanet, then don't worry, I'm going to share the link of my first video in the description box. Please check it. Okay, so as I've already mentioned in my last video that recently I went to Splanet and I got few things from there. So I'm going to show you guys what are the things I got from Splanet. So let's not waste any more time, let's begin. Okay, so first I have this scratch. Isn't it amazing? As you can see, it's gray in color. I mean, few more colors were also available there, but I got this color, and I especially love this. I mean, design. As you can see, I don't know what it is called, but yeah, it's very attractive. Okay, so now I'm going to open the clutch and I'm going to show you guys. So this is the inside portion, inside part, as you can see, and you can also keep your phone, your cards, your cash here, and a golden chain is also here with the bag. So I'm going to show you. Wait. So here is the back, a clutch come back. Okay, so you can also hang this clutch like this, like a sling bag, and also if you want, then also you can hold this back like this. I mean, like this. And I got this clutch at rupees 120, just 120. So let's move to the next item. So now I have this one. It's a bangle. So as you can see, it's a gold plated bangle, and very different type of detailing is going on. As you can see, I don't know whether you can clearly see it or not, but yes, and it's very beautiful. And I have got this at rupees 80, and I love to wear this type of bangle. So yeah. Okay, so now the next item. Okay guys, so now I have this cute little wallet with me. Oh my god, it's so cute, it's so cute. As you can see, isn't it so cute? It's so beautiful. And guys, let me tell you, it looks so cute, and as you can see, and it feels so good while touching. It's a furry material thing, and oh my god, it's matching thing. Wow, what a coincidence. Okay, anyway, it has a furry ball in it, as you can see, which makes wallet looks much more cuter. So now I'm going to open the wallet and I'm going to show you. And this is how the inside portion looks like, as you can see. And here you can keep your card, your cash, anything you want. And zip wala section is also here. In this compartment you can also keep your coins. So yeah. And I have got this cute little wallet at rupees 100 only. It's very affordable. So yeah. Okay, so one more thing I also want to add is Newmarket or Splanet is such a wonderful, beautiful place. Where I love to play. I mean, I love the vibes of that place. Okay, anyway, okay, so the next item is the hair accessories, and I really want to tell you that a lot of new trend have come in the market, and so obviously I have to pick some of it, right? Lol.
Music.
Now I'm going to start with this cute little side clip, as you can see, and it's a golden color, love shape wala thing. I found it very cute, so that's why I bought it. So, and I have got this clip at ₹30 only. It's just only 30. Okay, so now I have the amazing cutie hairband. So it's a velvet material, and as you can see, it has a cute little bow, which makes the whole thing look much more cuter. So yeah, and I have got this at ₹50 only. So next I have this amazing hairband with me. As you can see, it's a knotted hairband, and it's a glitter and multicolor hairband, as you can see. Oh my god, it's so amazing. And I have paid like ₹50 for it, and it's quite affordable. Okay, so now I have this amazing things. It is my phone back cover. Isn't it amazing? It is also black in color, as you can see. I don't know, but I think this is called glass cover. So yeah, and I just got this for ₹180. Okay, so lastly I have this belt for me. I went to Celadus, and from there I got this belt, and it's a leather product. The quality is very good, and I have got it at ₹350 only. So yeah, ज़्यादा कोई मतलब डिज़ाइन भी नहीं है इसमें. It's a normal one. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's it for today, and I hope it was a bit helpful for you guys. Like I'm talking about for both part 1 and part 2. So if you guys like my video, then don't forget to give like, comment and subscribe my channel. And once again I'm telling you, if you haven't watched the part 1 vlog, then don't worry, I'm going to share the link in the description box. Please do check it, and take care. God bless and spread love. Stay happy and stay healthy and stay safe. Bye. And one more thing, yeah, don't forget to write your comments, because it's really very important for me. And remember one thing, I read all your comments, honestly. Okay, so bye, take care, God bless and spread love.